Hi, this is Steve, the Lishi Locksmith. I'm working on a little project for a class I'm giving on the HU198 2-in-1 pick. This particular tool is designed to work on Ford locks that have the internal cut 2-track high security key. Now, I did find a little issue with this particular lock and tool combination. I've removed the retainer from this opening. This is an ignition lock. And what I discovered is, if you notice, as I pick the lock and turn it, the tumblers here in the opening are exposed to the retainer opening. And again, I removed it to make this discussion a little easier. So if I roll my pick over, you can see how the tumblers drop into the hole for the retainer. With the pick in, I can just roll it back and it comes into the proper position, and I can remove the pick. So here's where the problem comes in. If I rotate the pick all the way clockwise, as though I was turning the vehicle on, if this was installed in a vehicle, you can watch as the tumblers start to enter into the retainer well or opening. And the minute that I bring it around, the tumblers align perfectly. I can rotate it back and forth with no problem, as we said before. But if I pull the pick out, do you see what happened right here? See how that tumbler is sticking way up? So if I were to try to put the pick back in, it's going to hit that tumbler and not go in. If I try to put a working key in, it's going to hit that tumbler and not go in. So what I'm going to have to do is to take a hook pick and bring it into the tumbler opening through the keyway and work it down. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge because I don't have the retainer in, so I'm trying to grab the tab on the tumbler. This is tumbler position number 5. So I'm going to kind of line it up, hold a little bit of turning tension on the tumbler itself, and try to work it down. Okay, tumbler 4 can also be a problem, as you can see right there. But in this case, its bitting is such that it's not causing any problems. It's just the tumbler number 5. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to grab the tab and pull the tumbler down. See, so I need to kind of test and see what's going on. I got it. And you see how now, if I bring it back, I can rotate it to the full off position. And, sorry, see how that's sticking out? I didn't pull the lifters all the way back, so let me do the proper technique, and it goes right in. Amazing how things work the way they're supposed to when you follow the rules. Thanks for watching. This is Steve the Lishi Locksmith, and I'll see you again in future videos.